Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. In today's video, I want to talk about I quit Forex market. Yep. So basically, I'm gonna tell you guys my story. Yeah, I've been trading like for the last 3 years, and everybody was saying like, man, look at this. You are ain't profitable. You ain't making money. Even now, I'm not a millionaire, so it doesn't really matter how hard you you're trying to do. Everything is against you. I don't know how in your situation it was. I'm seeing some guru traders here. They've been trading for 1 year and they just making like $10,000 a day and all this stuff. I don't know how they can do it, but I know for sure I can do it also. So my plan is I'm seeing a lot of videos on how I quitting forex and all this stuff, but that's kind of nonsense to me, guys, because think about it. Like, me personally, I so many nights and so many times I backtest my strategy. I tried risk to reward ratio, I tried ICT, I tried break and retest, I tried everything. I tried. Hold on, guys, let me just. Okay. So basically, I tried everything in this industry, and at the end of the day, I understood. I understood that nothing is working. So should I give up trading? No, man. I'm not gonna give up trading just because I don't think is it's correct, because I already so attached to this industry, because I even like, even if I'm not making money, I still love trading. I don't know how on your side, guys, because it's not only about making money and trading right now. For me right now is to get to the point where I'm consistent profitable. So basically, whatever I'm doing right now, everything goes well, but I still don't make like $1,000 a day or $10,000 a day. To be honest, for now, I'm looking to pass my FTMO challenge, and I'm still know for sure that I will pass it. I don't know how long that will gonna take me, because how I said, I'm not perfect. Nobody is perfect. So I still know for sure, I'm confident in myself right now that I'm gonna pass it, but I'm not sure how long time we're gonna take it. So if you wanna see how I'm growing, you can literally subscribe to my channel, like this video, and just follow me up when you got time. I don't put some crazy stuff here. I'm not telling you how you can make like $10,000 a day and all this stuff, because I never done that. I mean, like, I never make a $10,000 a day or even $1,000 a day. No. So my advice is to all of you guys who wants to quit trading, don't even think about it, because once you're gonna stop trading, no matter what you're gonna do, you will understand, because you will come back. You will come back, because this is an attachment, you know. I don't know, it depends how long time you've been trading, because if you've been trading like for 1 month or a couple of weeks, then yeah, maybe you didn't have time to get attached to this job. But me personally, I'm doing that already for the third year, no, fourth year. On the 2020 I start, so this is gonna be my fourth year. Man, like, it was so many struggles, so many nights. I was sleeping, I was thinking, if I'm gonna do that, if I'm gonna do that, if I'm gonna do that. And I was taking my phone, checking the how it would play out this way, how it would play out this way. So basically, I done like tons of stuff, guys, tons of stuff. And that's crazy, because me just to leave everything how it is, this stuff don't even coming into my mind. You feel me? So my advice to you guys, just don't think about it, because everybody's got like some points where he's going to, because if you don't have any, ambitions to go towards something, then you kind of sitting at the same level and nothing is gonna change. But even if I'm trying to do something, yeah, I'm still going like through all this time, and I'm going towards something. I'm not just sitting and trading. No, today I'm trying risk management. Tomorrow I'm gonna make up my psychology. After tomorrow I'm gonna take my first trade. Then after a month I'm gonna pass my FxAlexG challenge. Then I'm gonna get my first payout, second payout, third payout. I'm gonna deposit more money on my bank account. So you still got like something going towards to. So guys, my advice to you: never quit trading. That's the worst what you can do, just to quit trading. If you like it, just do it. Don't trade the real money if you feel like uncomfortable. If you aim profitable, just don't trade real money. Trade like, I don't know, free FTMO accounts, or just open, I don't know, like open a demo account, and you will get more comfortable with that instead of just losing money. And because that's why I never think about it like quitting for it, even if I wasn't profitable. It just never even came to my head. So yeah guys, anyway, if you like this video guys, feel free to subscribe to my channel, like it, and guys, I'm gonna see you in my next video. Peace and love. I'm out.